Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to change background in Instagram story. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Instagram app. Okay, click on plus icon, tap on history option. Okay, then click on text option and tap on this option and click another and change your background. Okay, then type and next, then click on this option and share this history and change background in Instagram story. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.